This is a Bayliner 2023 VR5. Comes with matching trailer with swing tongue. Nice size swim platform. Stepping up and down to the stern of the boat. It does have a nice convenient walk-through. Stepping in, going right to the helm. Equipped with a depth finder, Bluetooth stereo. This Bowrider is rated for 8 people. Side controls with USB. Large ski locker. Side storage. Glove box. On the bow of the boat, lots of seating. More USB and cup holders. Walk-through windshield. Passenger side is in the spotter seat position, but does flip forward backwards for a convenient seat, and also folds all the way down. This VR5 is equipped with a 200 horsepower Mercruiser motor. Speakers throughout. This is a 2023 Bayliner VR5.